So this is going to be the second part, and in this part we have already done till this thing. Okay, we have already seen this, but look, um, in our original dashboard which we have targeted to make, in that dashboard we have covered this above part, the upper part. We have covered this part of the students bar chart. We have covered the pie chart also. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to target is the placement status, count of the placement status by uh, donut chart, by a donut chart. So we will go to insert a donut chart here. Is this color looking good? I feel, yeah, it is quite good enough. Okay, so let me just have this part. Okay, so we have this donut chart, and to insert this donut chart, what will I do? I will take the values of completion status. Okay, completion status, is that the thing? Yeah, no, placement status, sorry, that how many students are placed and how many students are not placed yet. So I will take the placement status. I will put the placement status in legend, as well as I will put the placement status in values. So now our placement status is created. It is very beautiful. I mean, the colors that by default is being given is very beautiful. I think I will not try to change the color of slicers here. So just let me fit it a little bit. Yeah, let me increase.
For your pie chart, the male portion is showing this bold blue color.
Yeah.
Okay, no issue. I will ask later.
Okay. So now I have to edit it. So it is probably completely understandable now that how to edit it. You will go to general, you will go to effects, you will go to background, you will set the background 82 or 83 or 85%. Then you will go to visual border, you will on it, and you will go to a rounded corners option. You will select the width of the border as 5. You will turn on the shadow. Nothing to change from here. Now we will again go to title. In title, what I want to write is placement status. Okay, I will change the font as CGUI bold. I will make it 30, no, 20. 20 is little bigger actually. 15 will be optimum. Text color is already black. Or alignment, I will make it center alignment. Nothing else here. Background we have already selected. Visual border is done. Shadow is done. Now we will come back to visual. In visual we have an option of legend. Legend, we can keep the legend as where it is already. I will not change the legend here. Let the legend be as in the position. I will go to this text option. In this text option of the legend, I will go to CGUI bold, and I will increase the font size as 15, and I will change the color as black. Okay, so okay, font size is not 15, let it be 11. Yeah, so done. And in the title case, we have title text is placement status. Now you can change the slices. I am not changing the slices because the color is looking good enough, and color is good enough, so I am not changing. You can give borders, although borders are on. You can give the colors to the borders. Let me give the color as purple. Yeah, transparent width of the border, let me change it as 4. Yeah, now keep the color as not purple. We can give a color of something different, like, no, it is not looking good. Although this entire part is upon you that how you want to fix it. I am not just, I am just experimenting. Transparency, let me increase the transparency of the border. Now yeah, it's fine. So done. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so in visual we have done the legend part, we have done the text part, we have converted the title part also, and we have converted the slices, Color, we haven't changed the color because it was in a good format. Border, we have done the border 4px width, transparency 72%, spacing is not required, labels and rotation are not required. Now if we come to general, within properties you can fix the size. I have already fixed the size properly, so it is not required. You can change the position, padding, advanced options, title. Here the title is already selected. Subtitle, divider, spacing is not required, and data format. Within effects, background, visual border, data format not required to be changed. Header icons, you can change the color of the border header icons, but it is not supposed to be changed in most of the cases. Tooltips, you don't have to change anything. Text, in general we will not change the text. Okay, so clear till this part? Is there any doubt in this part?
For the entire thing,
Yeah.
yeah. This how is this two colors, like from where are you getting this blue and this light blue all together in this one?
The
Okay, all
color of
three.
this donut chart.
No. Donut pie and stacked bar chart. This combination of these two colors, like light and dark.
In case of placement status, or in case of donut chart, it came by default. Okay, I haven't selected it.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's the same is working. Yeah, got it.
Okay, so it is done. Okay, so we have done till this part. Okay, we have covered till this part. Whatever was there, we have covered as it is. Okay, now what remains, we have to create a table like this. The table which will show average of monthly fee of every course. Of course AI, of course data science, of course machine learning, Python and statistics. A table which will not only show average of monthly fee of each courses, but the table will also show average of satisfaction rating of each courses, average of test score of each courses, average of instructor rating of each courses. So that student can also get the idea that which course is much more preferable. So from this average of instructor rating, we can say that this course 3.85, that is the course of data science, is having the higher level of instructor rating. So this course is much more preferable. So we want to create a table like this. We want to create a table like this at below, so that they get the idea about which course is more preferable, or we get the idea about which course is having higher monthly fees, which course is having lower monthly fees, which course is having higher test score and all. So to insert a table like this, what can you do? You can basically go to the build visual option. In build visual option, you will find option of table. You will find the option of table. Let me mark it for you. This is the option of the table. You have to click on this table option. After you click on this table option, your table will be here. Okay, now what do you require in this table? Let me just make this table a little bigger. Yeah, so what do you require in this table? We require courses, average of monthly fee, average of satisfaction rating, average of test score, average of instructor rating. So at first we want the courses. So where is the courses? Look, I have taken the courses at first. I have selected the courses and I have taken the courses. Very well. Now, what is the next thing that we want? We want average of monthly fees. So average of monthly fees. Where is monthly fees? This is the monthly fees. But what is the summarization showing? To see the summarization of any variable, we have to double click on it. I have already told you. So I have double click on monthly fees to see the summarization. Now I have double click on monthly fee. What is the summarization showing? It was already in average, because earlierly we have converted into average. So it is already showing average. So we will keep it as it is and we will drag down this monthly fees here. So average of monthly fees has appeared. Next, what do we require next? We require average of satisfaction rating. So I will select the average of satisfaction rating. Where is average of satisfaction rating? Sorry, satisfaction rating is here. Average is already done of the satisfaction rating, so I will bring the satisfaction rating here. Done. What do you require next? You require average test score and average instructor rating. Where is average test score? Test score is here. But is it? Look, when I am clicking on the summarize double tap, when I am clicking a double tap on test score, I can visit the information on test score. What is the information showing? That the summarization is showing sum. So should we convert it into average or should we just put the summarization here? If I try to bring this test score here, look, my entire, what is it showing? It is showing sum of test score. Are you getting my point? If you don't convert that summarization into average, you will get the sum of test score. You will not get average of test score. Clear? Are you getting my point?
Change the sum to average.
We have to convert the sum to average to get average of test score, not the summarization. Oof. Okay, 1 minute. Let me increase the brightness a little bit. Yeah, so let me undo the step. Yeah, and let me convert, double click on test score and let me convert the summarization from sum to average, and now I will bring the test score here. Good. Yeah, now we will bring the test score here and average of test score has appeared. Okay. And last thing we require is average of instructor rating. So instructor rating, where is instructor rating? Instructor rating is, can't see the instructor rating here. Yeah, this is the instructor rating. The summarization is sum, so I have to convert it into average and then I have to bring this instructor rating here. I will select on it and I will drag down it. So we have obtained the informations, the table, all the table informations that were required is now present here. I will fix the length and width of the table. Okay, done. Now what will I do? I have to edit it. I have to edit it, because if I don't edit it, it will not look like this. Identify the difference between this table and the table that we have created just now. There is a huge difference. So we have to convert the table, we have to format it, we have to edit it. Now, Aratrika, you guide me that how will I edit this table one by one. What is the first thing that we do?
Yeah, first we have to go this format to visual.
Yeah, then
Then in the just wait. Column headers is
no, you have to go to general at first. Then general,
okay,
you
yeah.
have to go to effects and you have to increase the transparency. Okay.
Oh,
That-
for the table, for the entire table, not the
yeah. So
wise.
okay, we have increased the transparency, done. We have to give the visual border. We have to turn on the shadows.
Shadow.
We have to make it rounded corners. We have to increase the width by 5.
I have changed it to 5.
Yeah.
6, I think. Yeah.
Done. Now, data format.
I was talking about this.
We don't have to change data format much. Header icons, tooltips, alt text, no changes are required here. We will go to the properties. Height and width are positioned properly. Position is also proper. Advanced option and padding is also done. Title, you can turn on the title and give text. Although if I give, suppose I can give a title that information of courses for year 2025 of Ecovision Academy. Yeah, done. So I have written this entire thing in the title, that this text I can change the font. I will change the font as Sergio UI bold. I will make it 20. I will keep it as center alignment. Okay, and we are done. Now this part is done for the title. Subtitle divider and spacing is not supposed to be changed. Okay, now we will come back to visuals. We will come back to where? We will come back to visuals. Within visuals, you will get the option of style preset. Keep it as default. You will find the option of grid. Keep it as it is. You will find the option of values. Now you change the values. You change the values and you change the font of the values. The font should be CGO UI bold and make the font size as 15. 15 is little higher probably. Let me take 13. Yeah. And text color is properly designed. In the background color, what can you do? You can look, this is a very important part. Let me do it one by one again. I am coming to visual. I am going under values. I am coming to visual. Okay, I am going by values. Within values, I am changing the font as CGO UI bold and I am setting the font size 13, and then I am coming to this text color, background color and alternate text color. Text color, background color and alternate text color. Okay, so what will be the text color that we want? We are willing the text color as black, so I am not changing it. You can change the background color. You can change the background color. You can give any color. Suppose this pink. Yeah, or you can give any color. Suppose this looks much harsh. Yeah, and alternate text color. Alternate text color, if you change this alternate text color, let me show it by changing it. If I change the alternate text color as green, suppose, look, every alternate text will be selected as green color, will be taking a green color. Are you getting my point? Are you all getting my point? If you select this alternate text color, look, this text color and this is alternate text color. This text color, if you select this text color as any color, you can give any color. This is as per your experiment. Okay, so suppose this text color I want to keep it as yellow, and I want to keep the alternate text color as blue, so I can do that also. Are you getting my point? This text color and alternate text color, these are for alternating different texts, different color, or assigning different colors to different text. Properly done? Understood this part? I feel this is looking very good now.
Yeah, done.
Okay. And alternate background color. Look, what background color have we assigned? We have assigned a background color of this sky blue. We can give alternate background color to the alternate cells. Suppose I want to give the alternate color as let me go to more colors and select come on, you guys, suggest me a good color.
Try something fuchsia pink like that.
Yeah, it looks good, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so done. So in this way you can take this part. This values part is very important. Take a screenshot of this. If you want, take a screenshot of this, that this is the values color and this is the color showing up. We have selected the text color, background color, alternate text color, alternate background color, and what is the result of that? These are the result of that. These are the result. This is the background color, this is the alternate text color, this is the alternate background color. I hope we have obtained the proper idea about this. I want to change one more thing because the color looks good, but I want to change one thing. that is the font. Text color, I want to change the text color of this in black so that it will be much more visible. Okay, so good enough. Now ready to go to the next part, column headers. Within column headers, can anyone tell me what is the column headers? What column headers are showing? Is the information of courses for year 2025, is this the column header? Or is this AI, data science and
No.
all these written are column headers? What are column headers?
Course average of
Very good.
monthly.
Course, average monthly fee, average satisfaction rating, test score, average instant. These are the column headers.
We need
So I
to
have to
bold.
convert it because it doesn't look good here. So I have to convert it. Anything that doesn't look good, we have to convert it. So we will assign a new color, CGO UI bold. Will increase the size by 14 or 15. Yeah, 15 is little bigger. 13. And we can change the color, although I am not interested in changing the color here, but let me see if we can give a blue color here. Yeah, done. So in options you don't have to change anything. In totals you can give a label to the total also. So I can change, it is already CGO UI bold. Let me change the color of the total. CGO UI bold, and it should be 15. And yeah, so this total is basically this last line, it is representing the last line. So you can even edit the last line of the dashboard, so last line of the table. Okay, so done. And okay, nothing to change from here. We can change
From where have you got this line after total?
this line.
Yeah.
No, it is coming just because the space is
Cards
taking
not.
away. Yeah, it is. That's why it is coming. I'll do one thing. I will increase the size so it will not come.
Not an issue.
Okay. I feel we can increase the size a little more here because now we are getting more options. So values, column headers, if we increase the size by 17. Yeah, proper. Let me increase the size of all of the texts. So let me go to the values and text size would be 16. No, 16 is higher. 14. Yeah, good enough. Okay, done. Does this color AI Python, that is it visible properly? Oh, okay, that is the reason that is not happening. Okay, done. So we have created it properly. Now we have created the table, converted the table. Now can anyone tell me that in the first column we are getting the average of monthly fee, we are getting average of satisfaction rating, test score, instructor rating, but we are not getting anything in course. Why is it happening? Why this course is empty?
Because we didn't select it.
No, because there was some errors in the data, there were some missing values in the data which we haven't cleaned. That's why it is coming like this. So if you don't clean your data, if you don't remove the duplicates, missing values, null values, you will face this type of problems. Okay, so that's why in the earlier two classes or in the earlier two sessions we have taught you that how to remove duplicates, how to clean your data properly. Okay, done. Can we go to the next part? I'm not getting any responses. Can we go to the next part now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is left? Still we have left with this Ecovision Academy dashboard written on the top left, city, course and completion status. These are slicers. These are 3 slicers. So now we are going to learn how to insert slicers. So here you will find the option to insert slicers. This is the option of inserting slicer. Look, this is the option. Okay. So I will insert 3 slicers. I will insert 3 slicers. One by one I will insert 3 slicers. And I will use those 3 slicers one by one. I will show how to use those 3 slicers one by one. We require some space also to write Ecovision Academy dashboard. Okay, so in the first slicer, what do I want? I want city. I want city. So I will just take the city. I will just take the city and I will drag down in the slicer. Okay. In the second slicer, I want completion status, or I want the course. So I will just drag down the course and bring it in the second slicer. In the third slicer, I want the completion status, that whether the course is completed or ongoing. So by these 3 slicers, I can get a proper idea that Ecovision Academy is currently operating in which cities and in which courses, and what is the status of those courses. Are the courses ongoing? Are the courses completed? Are the courses dropped? And those courses are ongoing in which cities? Which course? Data science or AI or machine learning? So I can do it by the slicers. Now I will show you one slicer, that how to do it. You have to guide me to the next 2 slicers, that how to do it. Okay, so I will show you only one slicer and you have to guide me with the remaining parts. Okay, so so as I am with the first slicer now, I will go to this format visual. You will get this slicer setting option. You will get this slicer setting option, but at first you go to general. You go to effects, and the background you have to set the transparency as 75%. You have to turn on the visual borders. You have to on the rounded corners, width should be 5. You have to turn on the shadow. Okay, Aratrika, is your slicers working?
Yes.
Okay, then effect is done. Visual, come to visual, go to slicer setting.
Wait, slicer for city, no?
Yeah, slicer for a city, slicer for a course, and the slicer for a completion status. 3 slicers. So in general, you can check the properties. All the properties are well defined here. You don't have to change the properties. Position padding is okay. Title, you don't have to turn on the title. If you want to turn on, you can give a text, but I will say that don't turn on the titles because it is already written here as city, so you don't have to give the title to the slicer. All the things are okay. Now we will come back to visual. Till now where you are operating in general, now we will come back to visual. Okay, so we'll come back to visual.
For city, how many cities we need to show? Bangalore and Chennai only.
All the cities are here. You have to just drag down.
Oh.
Look. Okay. So now I have arrived to this visual. Within visual, I will go to the slicer setting. Within slicer setting, it should be given as vertical list. You have to do it. You have to turn it on as drop down. Always keep this, remember. Don't keep it as vertical list. It looks very bad. You have to turn it as drop down so that it becomes much more professional, and it also contains less space. It takes less space if you convert it as drop down. So just convert it as drop down. Look, it is now taking a very less amount of space. Okay, so I will just
I just missed out this option button.
I'm repeating 1 minute. You go to visual, you go to slicer setting, there will be option of options. Take the style as drop down. It will be by default selected as vertical list. You have to convert it as drop down. Okay? Clear? Done?
Not yet.
Okay. You try to do city. Then we are coming to slicer header. Within slicer header, city is already written. I will convert the font as CGOUI bold. I will convert the font size as 20 and font color will be black. Border, I don't have to give border here. Background not required. Go to values and in values convert it as CGOUI bold. Give the font size as 18 and color should be black and all the other things are okay. You don't have to change it. So done. So we have created the first slicer properly. If you have to, okay, just make me one change I want to make. I will go to general and in the effects, the visual border, I haven't assigned the color to visual border. Color should be purple. Okay, now it's fine. Now Aratrika, if you are facing problem to this, I am showing it again with the second slicer. Okay. Look.
Okay.
You go to format visual, you go to general, you go to effect. I hope this part is being taken care of. You just set the transparency, you turn on the visual border, go to rounded corners, you set it as 5px. Look, it is not necessary to give rounded borders to every shape or every card or every slicer or every chart, but it looks good if you give the rounded borders and if you turn on the shadows. So that's why I'm doing it every time.
I will just show you once.
Okay. I will see. Just let me convert it. I will change the color of the visual border. Now I am coming back to visual. I am coming to slicer setting, vertical list. I will convert the style as drop down. Okay, and I will convert the selection. Okay, I have to convert the selection also. I'll come back to that. Slicer header, I will convert the font of the slicer header. Which one is the slicer header? This course is the slicer header. Okay, in the earlier case the city was the slicer header, so you have to convert the slicer header. You have to convert the font as CGOUI bold, give it as 20 font size and font color is black. Perfect. Values, click on values which is below. Font should be CGOUI bold and keep it as 15, font size 15. Font color should be black. Done. Okay, so have you done it or you are still facing problems? Then you can share your screen and show me, but after the completion. Let me just complete it. Okay, we are almost on the verge of completing it. So this is done. This is the last slicer that is present here. Okay, guide me how to convert it. I mean, even not 100%, you can give guidance till 60 or 70%. What is the initial conversion that we have to do? The first thing that you have to do, you have to select all the slicer. Then what should we do? Tell me. First thing, I expect these answers at the end of the class at least. What should we do?
Can you repeat the question?
What should we do now to make this slicer like the earlier two slicers?
The rounded corner from this effect.
At first we have to go to format visual, then we have to go to general, we have to go to effects, we have to go to transparency. Yeah, then you have to select the visual border, rounded corners 30px, width should be 5px, shadow you have to turn on the shadow, and we are done. Now we will come back to visual, we will go to slicer settings, we will select the vertical list as drop down and we will go to slicer header and change the completion status as the font should be CGI UI bold, font size should be 20. Font color is already given here. Now you will come below the screen, that is values option. Within values option, CGI UI bold should be font, 20 should be the size, font color should be black. So we have done it. Yeah, now we are ready to go. So we have completed till this part. One more additional thing that we have to do. Look, if I select Bangalore, it will show me the data of only Bangalore. What is the average age of students of Ecovision Academy who are from Bangalore? What is the average satisfaction rate of the students of Ecovision Academy who are from Bangalore? It is showing me the bar chart also only of Bangalore. Distribution of gender as per Bangalore. Placement status also only as per Bangalore. And all of this data also only as per Bangalore. Okay. But if I want to select Chennai now, suppose your manager asks you that give me the data of Bangalore, Chennai and Kolkata. Bangalore and Chennai and Kolkata. Can you do it now? If you want to select Chennai, look, Bangalore is now not selected. Now we only have Chennai. So this option means we can only select only one city at once. But it can't give me the true representation. I must select 2 or 3 or 4 cities at a time. Okay. So to turn on that feature so that you can multi-select the cities or multi-select the courses or completion status, to turn on that feature, what can you do? You can select the slicer and okay, 1 minute. You can select the feature. Within feature, within the slicer, you will get visual. Within visual, we will have the slicer setting option. Okay. Within this slicer setting, it is already dropped down. The option is already dropped down. Okay. But just below drop down, you will have another option of selection. You will have another option of selection. I hope you can see it now. The selection option. We have to click on the selection option. And here we have single select, multi select, show select all. We have to turn on this show select all. Okay. And now if I go to the city option, look, you can select all and then you can, suppose you want only Delhi, Kolkata and Bangalore. You unselect Chennai and Mumbai and the blank one, you will get the data of only Chennai, Delhi and Bangalore, Kolkata and Delhi. In this way, you have to turn on this show select all option. You have to turn on this show select all option to turn on this feature. Okay, so this is the one. For the course also, I have to do this. I will go to the format visual, slicer setting. Within the options of drop down, I will go to selection and I will turn on the show select all option. And in the completion status, we will do the same thing, show select all. So it is done. Now only one thing is remaining in this dashboard. We have to assign the name of Ecovision Academy dashboard, because this is the identity of the dashboard. The dashboard is made upon which section. The dashboard is made upon which company or which institution or whatever. So to make that, you can insert a text box here. So I have inserted a text box. From where should I insert a text box? There is the option of inserting the text box at the top. You can see here. This is the option to insert the text box. So I will just click on this to insert the text box. And what will I write here? I will write Ecovision Academy dashboard. Okay. I will convert it as CGI UI bold. I will increase the font size as 24. I will keep it as middle alignment The pronunciation is little wrong. Academy, it should be Academy dashboard. Yeah, done. And all the things are okay. Now I have to convert the background. So for that I will select this text box. I will go to general, and in this general we will have the option of effects. Turn on the transparency as 80% and it will be done. Visual border, turn on it. Rounded corners and select it as 5px and 30px as we are doing from the initial part of the class. And shadow, turn on the shadow also, and we are done. So we have completed the dashboard. Now suppose anyone wants to see that the data of Ecovision Academy of Delhi and Bangalore of only course Python, and only the courses which are completed, not ongoing, not dropped. So at first we will select the city as Delhi and Bangalore. We will unselect everything and we will select Delhi and Bangalore. Okay, at first we have to select everything, then we have to unselect the cities which are not required. So now I have selected Delhi and Bangalore. Okay, courses which are completed, courses of Python. So I will select Python, and which are completed. So now this dashboard is showing the data of Ecovision Academy of Delhi and Bangalore city of Python course and the courses which are completed Python course, not ongoing or not. Ongoing means it is currently going, not completed yet, and dropped means the course is being dropped by the academy. So what is this data showing? Average age of Delhi and Bangalore, of the students of Delhi and Bangalore of Ecovision, average age of the students of Ecovision Academy who are pursuing from Delhi and Bangalore in the course of Python and who have completed their course, their average age is 22.53, average satisfaction is 2.75, average monthly fee is 4.66k, main jail distribution of gender is 40% and 60%. 40% is male, 60% is female. Placement status, 50% are placed, 50% are not placed, and this is the data of Python only, as we have sorted it as per Python. So the data is also showing of Python. That average monthly fee in Python is 4660, average satisfaction rate is 2.75, average test score is 53.25, average instructor rating is 3.72. In this way you can use these slicers into your dashboard and you can make your dashboard in a much more attractive way. So how is this dashboard looking now? I feel it is looking exactly the same as it was, just the colors might be different in some cases. So I have created this dashboard also in the morning so that we can show this part and we can compare both the dashboards. So I feel most of the dashboard is looking exactly the same, just in some cases the colors might be different. So in this way you can create the dashboard in Excel, in Power BI. Okay, so 1 minute.